Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring the window precisely, then cut the frame pieces. Measure width and height and subtract about 3/8 so the mesh fits without binding. Choose aluminum or PVC using a 1/2 or 3/4 profile depending on strength needed. Cut 4 pieces with 45 degrees miters for clean corners. Once cut, test fit the frame on the sill so you catch fit issues early. Make small adjustments now. Small errors compound later, so be exact and deliberate. Lay the mesh over the assembled frame, keeping about 1 inch of overlap on every side. Start at one long edge and stretch the mesh taut, then use a spline roller to press the spline into the groove. This locks the mesh. Work opposite sides in sequence to distribute tension evenly, making sure it stays straight. Once the spline is seated, trim the excess mesh with a sharp utility knife, leaving an 1/8 inch to avoid fraying. This method prevents ripples and maintains good airflow. Set the finished screen into the window and secure it with clips, screws, or magnetic strips depending on your frame type. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. If you find small gaps, add a thin weather strip or foam to seal insects out. If the mesh has a sag or dent, do not panic. Remove the spline in that section, re-stretch the mesh carefully, and reinsert new spline. If damage is extensive, replacing the mesh panel is faster than repeated repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.